Hey creatives, Robert Silver here, and today I want to take you through the process of how I record for YouTube, from the gear, camera, lenses, the lighting, and more. Just a sneak peek on how I produce the videos you've seen. Before we start the video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to receive notifications of upcoming videos. Now let's get started. Whenever I'm going to record a video, I always set up the day before in order for me to begin recording the next day with a clear mind. First thing is to set up the camera and light stand. As for right now, I use the Lumix S1H for recording my videos. For a while, it's been the Lumix S1. As for my lens, it's the Lumix S Pro 50 f1.4 lens is my favorite focal length to use. Recording at 4K at 30 frames a second, the shutter speed stays at 1/60th of a second, and the aperture is locked at 2.0. Now the lighting in your space is going to be different from mine, but the quality of ambient light you can get should dictate the time of day that is best for you to record. For me, it's any time in the morning before 12 p.m. That is usually the time I get the best soft natural light filling my room. Once I have the camera and the settings together, I set up the lighting. I use the Godox SL60W, which is a 60-watt LED light with a Bowens mount and a remote for me to control the power of the light wirelessly. I've done a full review of this light previously, and you can check out the review for yourself by clicking the link in the description section or the card above. For a modifier, I attached the Photex Raja 65 octagon box. It's a soft box with a grid attached to it. That helps to focus the soft light on my face and not allowing it to spill all over the background of my room. I have the lights set up about 2 feet above my eye level at 40 degrees camera right in order to reduce the glare on my glasses. To add a little spice to the scene, I've included 2 colored LED lights in the background, which made all the difference. It took my video from good to great quality. Shooting with my lens with a shallow depth of field combined with colored lighting of the background creates a beautiful sense of depth in my footage. These kinds of LED lights you can find cheap on Amazon. When recording your video, aside from good lighting, good sound is extremely important. I use Rode's wireless Go lavalier mics. This mic produces a nice full sound for a very affordable price, plus they are wireless and charge via USB. Now that I've got the camera, the lens, the lighting, and the sound ready to go, it's game time. I personally script out a lot of my videos and use a teleprompter to read what I've written for the video. I'm not the best at memorizing, so this helps me out tremendously. It's not important that you do, so do what works best for you. I usually read to myself out loud what I'm about to record 3 to 4 times, then I record myself 3 times or until I feel that I've gotten it. Once I've completed all the recording, it's time for me to process it all. I use Adobe Premiere Pro to edit all of my footage I've recorded, adding the right music and any effects to add some spice. As for the music, I use Soundstripe.com, where with my membership, I get to use any of the tracks from their library royalty free. I'll post a link in the description section down below for you to check them out for yourself. Today, I just want to take you behind the scenes on how I produce my videos. I hope this helps you out in any way. If you have any questions, please post them down below. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, please don't forget to press that like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified about upcoming videos. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting, stay creative.